Hey y'all, it's allofdestiny, and in today's video we'll be doing a glueless install, start to finish, beginner friendly, no glue, no gel, no tape. Let's get into it.
Another one.
Shout out to supportive mom for braiding my hair down. And special thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. Now this right here is what I like to call luxury in a box. If you're not new here, you already know how much I love working with Hairvivi because they specialize in luxury custom units. They stay on point, y'all, with the latest trends, and they continue to enhance their wigs with the updated colors and updated styling. And this unit has their signature fake scalp, and it's also available in multiple flesh tone shades. I got mine in cappuccino. No need for the ball cap method, the stocking cap method. You can basically throw it on and go. And for security and comfort, they also include the large comb in the back. You have the adjustable elastic band for a snug fit, as well as the adjustable straps. And I like to kind of position mine towards the middle for an extra hold when wearing the wig glueless. Now the wig is even labeled, so it's super easy to keep track as you grow your collection. And inside the box, you also get a care booklet. You get the edge brush with the red tail comb for parting, the extra adjustable band with the additional comb, and this prevents that friction against the nape of the neck. If you know, you know. We got clips for styling, and her name is Doris. She's professionally colored, curled, and cut to perfection. I mean, let's be honest, what more could we ask for? I'm about to attempt to install this wig with no glue, no gel, no tape. So let's get into it. I'm gonna grab it by the elastic band, put it on in the back. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace with it off of my head. That way I can get close and I won't have to double work myself doing it later. I'm about to do no glue, no gel, no tape, no none of that. We're just gonna put it on and go. Okay, I'm gonna curl it and stuff, but we're gonna put it on and go. I'm over here filming this at my mama's house. She already peeking in, trying to take my wig already. Get it real close to the lace. And this doesn't have to be neat. It's like jagged. It helps it to kind of not be visible at all, honestly. You talking to me like a new babe. You talking like you trying to do things. My mirror is off to the side, by the way. I'm using a pressing comb to really perfect this middle part. I'm going to take some mousse to kind of just lay that along the hairline. In the temples, my natural hair does kind of stick out further than the wig, but I am going to still attempt to do this without the ball cap method. So I'm gonna just politely brush that back and pull the hair forward. Yeah. Oh, I love the layers in this. Do y'all see that? And I have to take the scissors and actually do it myself. If you're not new here, then y'all know I be trying to like just to frame the face a little bit, but it's kind of already doing that for me. And then they got it like highlighted right here. I like the length on this too. Okay, so I want to cut this part but not cut into the cap, so I'm just going to take that off just a little bit. Press when you're wearing a middle part. If you're kind of pressing it straight down to the side like this, that's not flattering at all. So when you do a middle part, you want it to come forward at that angle, basically, instead of taking your pressing comb and you going like to the side, side. What I found for me is that I come forward like this instead, so that it naturally lays right here in front of the face. It's like wearing versus styling. Like this is wearing the wig, this is styling the wig, if that makes sense. But yeah, you want to kind of get the shipping kinks out of the wig. My little flicked left hand, I curled this side of my hair better. Comment down below, let me know, are you right-handed or left-handed? Not just in the sense that these units come custom, but the quality of Hairvivi's wigs is amazing. Like, the color is always nicely done. Whenever they do the feathered or the multi-layered cut, which is what this unit has, it's nicely done. It's professionally done also. And the silkiness of this hair is not that overly silky type of hair. Their units last for a while, so where it still looks amazing. It's the little feathered highlighted piece for me. I want to let these curls sit a little minute before I brush them out. I like it right there in the face like that. Oh, minus that, hold on. I'm going to take a little bit of this spritz, and then I'm just going to, and this just tames the flyaways. Brush that through and down. I like brown on myself, and I love highlighted curls or hair that's curled with highlights in it. On myself, it's just something about it that I love. I think it's because my own hair isn't of a lighter color, it doesn't have highlights in it, So when I wear hair like this, it's just like a switch up from my own 1B black hair. And I'm not gonna lie, like I love switching up my look. Whenever I post a new look to my Instagram story, y'all probably gonna think I sound so shallow saying this. Like the comments go crazy. Like switch your hair up, post to your Instagram story looking different from how you was looking last week. It's giving new week, new hair. Like that's the motto for 2025. Like let's just keep it switched up at all times. Just when they think they know what look you finna pop out with, boom, you hit them with something different. And I know that you all see me adding a few products to the hair, but it already had a nice luster and shine to it. And I know we always talk about the price point when it comes to wigs, but if you're going to spend money on a wig, why would you invest in a wig that's only going to last about 3 or 4 months? But with wigs like this from Hairvivi, you pay for it one time and you have it for years. Like a lot of times y'all will come to my DM or in my comments when I post new photos and y'all be like, girl, what hair is this? What hair is this? And I'm like, girl, I got this wig 2 years ago and I'm just re-wearing it. Like if we're gonna do girl math, we gotta make it make sense at this point, because if you purchase something again and again 3 and 4 or 5 times, the girl math ain't adding up at that point, sis. And boom, just like that, glueless install complete. And it's in Destiny. Cue the music, please. I'm looking good. We finna go outside. I feel pretty. Always loving a good brown. Love the highlights in this wig. What's Up with Destiny probably did all of the talking already. Please believe I'm gonna snatch her off when I get home. But I'm about to go outside and see what's popping outside, okay? Running your fingers through. No shedding. You get what you pay for. And yeah, that's it. Oh, I like having my hair done. Oh my God. We got our hair braided, we got our nails done. I don't know what else is included in the first portion of the maintenance video, but definitely check that one out so you all can see how we got here with everything being completed now. I was not in a good mood this morning. I was like, get up and do your makeup. This is my first time with curtain bangs, so I love the way this looks. Whenever I'm cutting the wigs myself, usually I'm always trying to kind of like feather it. I guess I was kind of nervous to come this far up. I wasn't sure how it would turn out, but I love the look of it. It's kind of giving Farrah Fawcett slash, I don't know. Let me know what you think is giving down below. Hairvivi did a wonderful job on this color, on this cut. Everything about this I love. The steps that I was able to skip, like the stocking cap, being able to wear this glueless if I would want to, or you can use like a gel or the holding spray if you prefer. I'm highly satisfied with it. It's doing what it needs to do. I don't have to sell you this wig. I feel like you can look at it and it's just giving what it needs to give, right? Curl the hair going back if you want this look. Oh my God, let me stop. I'm feeling myself right now, so y'all know I'll be talking forever. Special thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I hope that you all enjoy it. If you all want to get the same wig, we'll have the details in the description box down below, as well as all of the specs, any discount codes, and everything that you all need will be in the description box. So definitely be sure to check that out. If you all want to see another video from Hairvivi, be sure to click over here if y'all want to see another install, and click over here to subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's absolutely free to do so. So why would you not? Questions, comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
You know where you scrub your shower tub?
I'm recording.